Hello, my name is Ezra Annis, former mayor of Whitby. Bennett's Tavern was located at the northeast corner of Euclid and Dundas Streets and was built sometime before 1828. This building played a very important part in the social and political life of Whitby in the mid-19th century. From the 1820s to the 1860s, it was one of the leading taverns in the community. The building was originally owned by a Mr. Kronk, who is said to have been the first man to sell beer and liquor in Whitby. By 1837, the Kronk House was known as Bennett's Tavern, and it was during this time that the tavern figured prominently in the events which led up to the Rebellion of 1837. It was at the tavern that conservatives, who were loyal to the government, held a stormy meeting and drafted a series of resolutions condemning William Lyon Mackenzie and his followers who wanted political change. William Mackenzie eventually led an armed rebellion, which was put down in York and is now called Toronto. After the mid-1840s, the tavern and hotel had a succession of owners. Eventually, the tavern and hotel closed and became a private residence. Later in the 20th century, the building housed private businesses such as Becker's Convenience Store, as well as a barber shop and drapery store. By the end of 1980, the building was purchased by the Toronto Dominion Canada Trust Bank, who were looking for a prime location in Whitby. Unfortunately, efforts to persuade Canada Trust to utilize the historic building were unsuccessful, and the building was eventually demolished on April 7, 1990.